See, I did here. I call this live video because of some people. If you not write me message again, ask me why me post that picture, Thought that go for a poof on her head, nah. If you not write me message again, ask me why me post that picture. I said thought that go strike all of una down. If you not call me again, if you write me again, say why me post that useless man picture. Thunder go for poof on her head now. May anybody not write me? May anybody not call me? May anybody not inbox me and ask me why me post that picture? If you not say make the same thunder way, want kill the man, not kill now. May not write me and ask me. If you not say make thunder not kill all of. May not write me to question me. May not inbox me to ask me why me post that picture. Be careful. In fact, avoid me. Avoid me. Just leave me. If you see that picture, you not like her, pass her. Leave her, pass. Just leave the picture. Pass. No ask me question. Because if you try again, if you write me message again, why me post that useless goat picture, The naked picture. The same Ogu where he go kill the man will still kill John. When I am so, I'm gonna be careful. Ozidebe Felix, wait for me for guillotine. And they can't come meet you for guillotine. Now today, either you kill me or me go kill you. Or our two go prison. They go carry our two go prison. Me they call that guillotine for you. And they call that guillotine because of you. You can never just carry my baby, give government, say government carry for no reason. You go free. No, you can never. You carry my baby, you give government. You say make government carry my baby for my heart. Make they carry my baby when me carry for good 9 months. Bon. Baby, when me suffer for. Baby, when me they suffer, I don't see you. You know they there. Baby, when me say, since when me born and I made they feed and I made they take care of and I made they do everything. You know they do. You tell government, say me they carry the baby. Are you threatening me? Say if government not carry that baby from my hand, you not go rest because I say go document where you want and not give you. How me want to give you document? Now you give me my own document. Now you make me get document from France. Now you give me document. I me want to give you. I mean you were just spent 20-something years in Europe, 29 years in Europe for Italy. Wait till kill your nationality. Wait till they kill your passport for your hand. Not because of the drug. The drug where you they say and the traffic. This is where you still they do. They bring women come here, cause they do ashawo. They do prostitute. They pay you. Not be made the kill your passport for Italy. For the 21 years, he praise the way you get for Italy, where can make you rock come up for Italy, come France. Now me say may you go they do all those things for Italy. Now me say may you go they do bad things for Italy, may they kill your documents. Now me say may you go they do anything traffic. They do fake money. They use fake money. They bring women come here. May they pay you. You they do only you want people they do drug business. Cook. Only you want they do drug business. Only you want and you still they do cuties. You they use a rope bag and they threaten everybody. They beat everybody. They beat police. They beat all. Not be made they kill your passport for your hand. Now me tell your wife. Your ex-wife say make you carry children run away for you. Now me tell your ex-wife say make you carry your children run away from you. Why you can't be saying na me? You say you want to pay people for waiting you use your hand take cost for yourself. Why you can't be saying na me? I'm an innocent baby. Now you want to pay. You tell George. You know fear. You say make George collect my baby from my hand. They really carry the baby. Felix Ozidede, I know you before. The document where you want to say when me give you. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. I be the house where you say when me give you. Now your papa for now your papa for grave. Now give me the house. I be now your mama for grave. Now give me the house. The house where you say when me put your name, when me remove my son name and put your son name so that when you be the owner of my house. As if for waiting. How me go remove my son name and put your son name, say may you be my own, may you come be the owner of my house. Only you want. Now you go still carry friends. You go pack friends come my house. Without say you no go tell me. If me ask you, go begin call they threaten me with a Arubaga. Now say I go do you this. Now say you go do me that. Felix Ozidede, if I go not punish you today, if you not die today, my God. Go take your children one by one. My God, your children, your 3 children, be 4 children, be now 5 children you get. They go bury them one by one this year. You go begin to bury them one by one this year. If you not bury one, if you not bury all your children this year, you gonna say my name not be Kate. Me not be Kate. If you not bury your children this year, you gonna say me not be Kate. You hear me so? You gonna say my name not be Kate. If you not bury your children one by one this year, if those your 4 children not die, or be 5 children not die for your eye this year, you gonna say me, I don't be wicked. Shebi you sabi judge, you sabi defend, you sabi show, take, you see, prove, I get this, I get that. You will be say, the evil they find for Italy. You will be say, then the Italy they find you for the 21 prison, the 21 years in prison where you get for grant for Italy there. The evil they find you for Italy. Now you come France, you can't say na me, now you want to use this show for France. My dear, I go worry you till your grave. If you not go your grave, if they not bury you, I not go rest. I not go rest. For today go, I don't be your nightmare. I don't be your nightmare. Me, I don't become your dream. I go make sure say, you see this idiot. This mogul. Okay, they carry the baby come out from my hand. It is say now let me one. No be your blood. Ha! Now let me want burner. I still be your blood now. But you mumu rich. You mumu rich because of documents. Because of your document. Because of 65 euros. I mean 66 euros. Where there they give the baby. Where be say the money even they reach me even they buy pampers for a week. Now it make you say make government carry the baby. Say you better say where the baby there for government hand. That say the baby go there my hand. You see your life? And that baby, that innocent baby, that innocent baby, its tears go there your head. He go there your head. That innocent baby go worry you. He go also worry the children where you there born. All those your children go die one by one. That one there for government hand. Now government carry you don't go die. But your own children go die for your eye. All of them go die for your eye one by one. Better. See you they pretend saying I saw you clean. Where you tell they carry they call. If you has where you not get where they say you know they pay us rent. You know they pay the light bill. You know they pay the gas bill. You know even they contribute anything for the house. I pick you for dustbin. I pick you like a junkie. Put you for my house. Bath you. Finish. Feed you. Finish. Because they waiting to pay me back. Now government will take my blood away from me. You go suffer. You go suffer. You. Felix, you go suffer. You see, say for that swear where the rest women don't first swear for you. If they worry, you will be saying, oh, your body full of city like see where you carry HIV. Now so man. And Nigerian man for that matter go even say you want bath. And Nigerian man for that matter go say you want bath. He go carry water, go they pour a for body. Come out to use sponge. He even take bath. You know they use sponge. Since women not sponge take touch his body. He never bath with sponge. Now say go you enter bathroom, you go turn water put for body, go come up for inside bathroom. You carry towel, my white towel, take clean body. You be like say my white towel, they go put her for erosion. They go just like go take go dry erosion. You know the share for all those things. You know the share. Only you want your body full of sweetie. It be like person made the throw medicine give for your baba things where they do. But the one when me go do you now, you go pass that sweetie. HIV go enter you and you go die slowly. Better you go beg for that, you not go see. You go there for this world, you go suffer. You go suffer. You go even they beg God, say, God, I beg, take my life. God no go green. God, because he must allow you to suffer with you cause for yourself. You made they take away my 3 months old, my 2 months old baby. 2 months, just 2 months old. 2 months old. You say me, God, they take away from me. You see me? I blame myself. Way. I regret the reason why. The very first day I know you, if I see you for face, I swear, I don't care to even not go to that prison where you always want me to go. That prison where you always want me to go. I don't care now to not go. But your life, for today go a day danger. I blame myself. You say for the court, the judge even still they blame me. The judge they blame me. How can me open my eye and born for that kind of man? When me not say the baby, if me born and the baby not go stay with me. When me go born for this kind of man? When me not say if me born for the baby, if me born the baby not go stay with me. This man allowed they take away my baby of 2 months old. What do you want to get for all these things where you do? Because of documents. Now me want to give you document after 29 years in Europe. Land you not get for Africa. If you come on land, you not get money bank. You not get for Africa. If you house, you not get for Africa. After 29 years in Europe, close it to 30. And how many age you day? How many age you dey? Not be 47. You want complete now. 47 old man. Now him say me they take away 2 months old baby. Government. They want me. Now what did the judge still tell me? Now me cause this thing for myself. You know why? Because why? When me take born that baby for hospital, where you take hospital, cause they make problem with me, say I not put your name for the baby. They come tell me say, may this baby for they save with me. May they carry me and the baby go for a year. They no say me get house. Me can say no, me not they go for a year. Okay, they come still reason and say me they were for France. Maybe not because say as I day when I make me say me no want for a year. Okay, they go still beg me. Okay, they want go rent one bed, one room and parlor for me when me day with my baby. I say no. Say I no agree because I don't already get my whole house. When me I dey where they can't want me. Okay, they go leave this baby for you. When you want condition, you know why? Because they see the way you take care of this baby. They see the way you take care of this baby. Because of this reason, they go allow me go my house with my baby. Because the man tell they say me they collect this baby from my hand for hospital. May they not allow me come out with this baby for hospital. When they collect the baby from my hand, for the very day the baby was born, say me they collect her from my hand for hospital. Based on say hospital, they not be that kind of bad people. They not see anything say I do anything bad. Where he go make they collect my baby. Now so they got to change my room. I don't know say information. This man don't give the information. They will lie. He said me no fit take care of my baby. Say me no go fit take care of my baby. Oh, say me they collect the baby from my hand for hospital. Why? Because I say I not put in name. He send me voice record that very day. Promise me he with his useless brother whether they call Peter. Peter for Nigeria, Peter Ozi. Then the way I see that go kill for Nigeria. Where that man, that Peter, whether that Peter be named Peter Ozi, then they go die by. I see that for Nigeria there. That man no go pass. That your brother no go pass this year. Now see them go kill him. That one never do. I got surprised say they come meet me. They said they need to change my room. Now I ask them, say why? They say they get why, because why? The way this man they behave, then they fear say make this man not call you draw this baby, make you not call kid the innocent baby. Because the way the man push the baby made they just newborn. Baby will never reach 30 minutes where they born. If you see the way this man carry that baby, free and throw away. If they drag. He carried baby for nurse hand. He push the baby throw away. If they drag paper for nurse hand, say you want to check on whether I name day, whether I name day. If they tell us say since not be name day, say me nurse go remove my son name. Not be say me not put a name now. Another man name I put my son name. Because why? The time I get belly, this man leave me. He abandoned me. After 8 months, I was born. This man got to come back. And that time, France got reject and said, then they don't want for their country. Again. Now I got to come back. I don't say na document. Can I come back? Oh, now later, we got to do all those things. Now me tell us, I say, why you go to behave all these kind of things? You want to me to take this baby from my hand? Now you go to tell me, say, France not give her paper. Say, France reject her. Say, France ask her to come up for their country because they don't give her paper. He not get document. Now me tell France say me they not give you document. Now me tell you, may you they pack people come for the foyer where they put you. You they pack people from Italy they come. Say make them they pay you 50 euro. May where you take they carry they come. You they collect money for people hands. And you want to say make the government give you document. As they want to give you the document. Where can be say you they do traffic some things for their country. He never do you. They call say when me come up for the room. They want to change my room. And really, they can't really carry me come up for the room. I don't know say the room where they go put me camera there. I don't know say camera there for the room where they carry me go. So they can't need to ban this man. Say make you not come for hospital again. Or see me go come up for hospital. Make this man not come hospital again. Say if he come, if they see and they go call police for him. Really? He go come. They not go agree say make he enter. They go drive him. He go back. The place where they put me, I don't know say camera deal. Now after a week, I spent almost about a good week. Almost close to 2 weeks. Now me when they go for hospital, before hospital call release me to come out. They can't tell me say when me come out with my baby. Hey, the day when me want come out for hospital, now that day me no say that room where they put me and my baby, say camera dey there. I surprised say the oga, their own manager for the hospital come by himself. Call they wish me well, they pray for me. They tell me say he pray say when me jama, wake go fit join me take care of my baby. Say the father of my baby is a very bad person. Say the man tell them say me no fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hand. He tell them say me no go fit take care of my baby. Say may they collect the baby from my hands. So because of say they not get any proof when they want to collect the baby, now me they call carry me come this room. Now so the woman call take point and go up. He say when me look up. Now me call look. I see say camera did there. Now I say wow. So when I carry me, when I put me for where camera they sees since so why? Now they call they explain to me. See the reason why. And the reason why they put me for that room. They don't monitor me. They don't investigate me. They see say me not be that kind of person where the man tell them say I be. Say, but they go tell me say when me go for a year with my baby go stay for 5 years. Even if say I get house, I day way just for the protection of my baby. Say because the man not want this baby. Wait till this man want now document. Then don't see him. Say the man don't want the baby. Now they know they go for a year. Because okay, may they still go rent 1 room and bed, one room and parlor for me. Send, but me no go pay. Oh, I no go they pay now. Then go they pay for me. I can't say no. How me go there? Me go still they pay my own house rent. My own house rent when me they pay for a month. And they pay 800 euro. Why government? Why government they support me with 400 euro? Why everything can be 1,200 euro? When me they pay every month for my own house? This man never support me one day, pay my rent. But he go there my house, he go they carry friends, they come without saying no go even take permission for me. He go they carry friends, they pack, they come my house. They come, they pack, come. I caught this I know they go the house. I prefer to stay in my house. I don't know say the house. When we go stay, my baby not go there with me again. Which house? Now wake government go carry the house because I don't want again. I don't want this house again. May they go carry the house. Me no want again. I don't want their house again. I don't want again. As I come out from hospital, they come warn me. They say they go only leave me go for one condition, gay. Say that condition. They no want see this man close to my baby. If they see her close to my baby, they go collect the baby from my hand. And they are caught and it's okay. I don't hear. And really, I can't take their word because I don't want to say they collect this baby from my hand. I know what. Now this useless man called they call my old brother for Italy. They tell my brother, say, my brother beg me. Say when me just allow him to call they visit the baby, just they see the baby for face. After some months, after 1 month, now I could say allow this man. This man don't come for many times for my house. I don't go open door for him. He go. He don't come many times. I don't go open door for him. He go because government don't want me say if they see this man close to my baby, they go collect that baby from my hand. When I see say, ask Percy, they use good, they kill safe. For this life, he no good. Say me you, they do good, oh. He no good. I don't kill myself with my good. I use the good. I use and take kill myself. See now. I use and take suffer innocent baby. Small baby for that matter. He can't get one day where this man can come. That's why he pressing my bell. He, as me not answer him, he can't begin to disturb all my labor. They disturb all my labor. They press all my own labor door. Now they call you say, one woman they knock my door. Now me call go open door for her. Now they tell me say, he get that man, he get one time man where he always they come call they meet me for a house. Say the man they press it bell. Say when me ask the man why the man they press it bell. Really, I could come out. Now I come meet and say, why you go they press my labor bell? No, they disturb my labor. Again. Now he call they beg me. Say he want just see baby. When me allow him see baby. Oh, see me now. I can't really allow this man see this baby. Make this man call go. Over since then, this man not really leave my house again. I don't know say in this street he not get where to stay. He well let's they post picture. They do like say life they well for her. he not get house, he not get anything. After 29 years in Europe, oh, he not get anything. Nothing get. House for Nigeria, he not get. Land for Nigeria, he not get. Nothing, not even shenshi, he get for account. If you say shoe where they wear, if you put that shoe for your present, you go faint. Shoe where be say crazy person no go even feel wear. Now they wear. Make this man come up from my house. He no gree. Till that day where the matter happen. I not talk bad. Now he carry a friend come my house, even when he know say government bad and say make you know they come my house, call they see my baby. He still carry a friend come, he call the shot for my back hole. Now me take on meet and say, why you gonna make noise for my back hole? And you know say government banned you, and maybe government just still tell my labor, say make them they watch, make them they monitor me, whether they go see you around this my house. No, they make noise for my back hole. No, they disturb my labor. And your friends, where you they carry the call. You know say government banned you, but I allow you to call the see your baby because of say may God not say I call they do bad things. They make me. Even when me say I like this man to call the see baby. Common food, you know fit buy. Pampers you know fit buy. I be the only one way be say I go buy pampers. I go buy food. Now me go buy clothes. For your present, now carry 400 euro come out. I carry go supermarket, carry go boutique. I use Zante do shopping for my old baby. Still buy food. Nothing when he did. He get one day where the baby want go take injection, and me don't already pay my house rent. As friends, they tell me to get belle, say I no fit work. And me, I know the work, and my so much don't finish. So government not they pay me again. I no fit pay my house rent. I could get bill of 1,800 for grant. For this my present, now me tell the find me want to pay. I mean want to pay my bill. For your present, now you know that man. For send me that money, when me take pay my bill 1,800, why he still dey inside the house? The man never even come the house one day. The man never see me for eye one day. The man never come my own house one day. After I don't pay all this bill finish, this baby my own baby want go take vaccine, and the vaccine na 100 euro, and he never dey for my hospital card. So, I need to buy the vaccine, 100 euro. I also buy the medicine, when me go later give after the vaccine. Everything come be almost about 180 euro. 80 euro. Now let me buy the vaccine, still go buy this medicine. I not do bad thing. Now I tell this man, say, what is the need? Say you just dey here. And nothing where you they do. Now me go feed you. Now me go see if they feed your baby. Now me go see if they pay my rent. So, may you go work, not be to just go give hotel. You go come out. You go come out around 6. Go give hotel in the morning. Come back around 9 o'clock in the night. You go there. You go drink. You go smoke. And if everybody for there go begin to fear you, because everybody forget, all of them don't let me know, say, babe, as this country happen to you, you know, say we not go both talk to the man. The man, they like to fight, where? If they like to beat people, they like to they threaten people life, where? So, I beg, may you take heart. You see? Now what me ask her? How let me want go till they do all those things? It's better to me you just pay for your home. Just go your house. Now this man begin start to. Now he begin they break everything from my house. He begin they break everything from my house. Now so so this man carry mirror. He hit her for his head. He break the mirror for his head. Now police come. This man tell police and me break the thing for his head. He as the thing break finish, he carry the pieces. He use her take mark his belly. He tell police say na me do one. He tell me say the police must collect this baby to